Yeah, the baso is very aesthetic, very dusty.
Yeah, but no, fuck it.
Wow, artista.
Oh my god, it's a glass. We cannot do that.
Yeah, look.
Okay, okay.
See?
We need to do it again.
Okay, so matatapos na tayo sa ating shoot. Medyo nakakalito kasi sabi raw nila seafood platter daw yung kukuhanan namin. Kaya medyo hindi ako fan ng seafood. Ikaw ba? Siya, hindi siya fan ng seafood. Gigil ako. Someday guys. Tesla. Someday. Okay. Alam niyo na, 100 episode today. Kung di man ma-upload. Normal ba yun? Sana. May shoot tayo today as 100 episode. Let's go. Guys, nasa fine dining restaurant tayo ngayon. Walang magmumura. Bawal po magmura, nasa fine dining restaurant. Set up kami ng lights.
Pag ikaw nagmura.
Hindi ako magmumura, ano ako eh.
Ay, nagmura siya kanina kasi muntik na mawala yung cellphone.
Very sophisticated. Sagot ka sa akin mamaya sa kotse. Pagkagalitan kita.
Ano po yung nalagay dito? Yung...
Ilagay mo dyan yung manners mo. Ay, sorry.
Mag-ano ka ba? Gonox ka ba dyan?
Oo.
Wag na.
Sige. Okay naman. Okay lang naman. Hindi, sige, wag mo na.
O, diba?
Feeling ko,
Kasi
wag mo na.
ano eh.
Oo, tiga mo. Oh.
Baka mamaya, pagkano.
Grabe yung vibes dito, para akong ano.
Sige, wag na.
Dito po talaga kami nagsiserve. Tingnan nyo, halata naman.
Oh, yun oh. Pucha. Guys, para ako may meeting with a politician. Politician meeting with Councilor Trixie. Babayaran niya daw ako ng 500k para lang iboto siya. Tsaka i-endorse. Number 1 politician in Comembo.
Ano? Kalaban.
Tim Hortons. Kailan ba tayo
Tim
Tim Hortons wala yung hinahanap?
Tim Hortons kasi. Find the...
Patawa naman yun.
Boss! Oh, Camille, ano, okay ka lang? Bakit sa Canada kasi Tim Hortons. Pag Pilipinas, Tim Hortons.
Nakakaloka.
Dito yung ano.
Ba't hindi ka naka-formal kami?
Yan, nako. Kasi nga Tim Hortons daw eh.
Uy, sabi ko magganda-gandahan ka.
Naalala mo yun yung ano? Kapatid kasi ni Hortons yun. Si Tim Hortons. Iba yun.
Sinong panganay?
Tim,
Panganay?
tinahanap Tim Hortons top si Logan kasing pupunta. Markup. Totoo naman kasi. No? Oh. Okay. Tumutunog-tunog pa. Sa kasalukuyan, kamusta kayo Martians? Welcome back to the 365 100 episode. Let's go! Ito, ngayon lang ako nag-intro. Sorry, nalimutan ko kasi kanina medyo ano eh. Hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na ika 100 upload ko na. Nasa shoot tayo ngayon dito sa Morton Steakhouse. Nakapag-establish yung shots na rin ako. Nauna lahat ng mga shots bago yung intro or bandang kalagitnaan naman ako nag-intro. Pero ayun oh, diba? Witnessing greatness at its finest. Si Ma'am K. Siya yung lagi kong tinutukoy sa inyo. The ultimate photographer here in the Philippines. #1 Philippine standard. International Photography of the Philippines. Grabe. This is greatness right here, guys. Everything you can learn from food photography. The basics, the best. Boom, you know, diba? May pitik pa yung flash. Pero sobrang happy ko today. Hindi ko sure kung anong mauuna kong i-upload. Kung itong video na to. Or kung hindi ko alam pare kung ito yung i-upload ko eh. Or yung 100 special. Pero kung nauna man yung 100 special, sana na-enjoy nyo. Sana natuwa kayo, sana natawa kayo, sana kinabag kayo pagkatapos. Kasi talagang binuhos namin lahat ng effort namin, especially yung mga artista, ang mamahal ng TF ng mga artista, guys. Adobo at saka pansit canton yung TF nila, kaya medyo mahirap. But anyways, ito na today. Ito muna tayo, focus muna tayo sa shoot natin. Kinukuhanan mo ba ako? Okay. Yes, you smile like you're excited to pour this bottle of wine.
I am very excited, buddy.
That's good to hear, man. Okay, let's do this. Wait, just give me a quick sec. And there we go. Okay, can I see? Let's try the walk. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, let's do one more. Yeah, you look good.
Alright. I lose my hair.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Last one. Let's do one more. Just give me a 4100 Kelvin. It's okay. Nobody's gonna. 4100. Okay, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Last one. Last one. You ready? Yeah. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, cut. We can do one more.
Okay.
So if you're
Faster or
slower, a little slow. Pa softbox ako nito. Okay, roll mo. Naka-timer tayo kasi meron tayong ilang minutos. Kable, pa-check ako. Shite. Ma-extend ako. Okay, you ready? Kahit pag mo na muna yung onion. Okay, just don't walk too fast. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Just check which hand you used to open it. Yeah, let's do left. Oh, okay. Wait. I think you did something over there.
Yeah,
You have to use. Oh yeah, it's okay. It's okay. But let's just do one safety.
Yeah.
Where you do your left hand. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. I'll just check one more time. Okay. Yeah, let's do it.
not bad.
Perfect. Looks good. So let's do it this one.
Okay.
Can I see the open? 3, 2, 1, open, grab, freeze. Ah, I see. Let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and open. Nice one. Okay, last one. 3, 2, 1, and open. Last one. Let's do one more. 3, 2, 1, and open. Perfect. Okay. Open. Yeah, that's good. I just need that one. So next up is, how do you open it?
It's quite cool. I will open it like this. So I can do it like this for better vision, or like this.
Okay, so
I will do in one look. I will take this for
ano, AD, Drew, kaya mo tago ng onte kasi nagre-reflect doon, no? Sa may cabinet. Tago. Kaya pa. Yan, tapos tapat tutok mo dito. I think pwede na yan. Sige, can I see? Walk towards, and then slide. No, I mean like, you come over and then, yeah, let's do that one. Can I see? 3, 2, 3, here. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and go. Now let's just do it from here. Just place the bottle here and just slide it. Yeah, let's do that one. I think that works. Okay, ready? Just start from here. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, perfect. Let me just review it one quick second. Oh yeah, let's do that one. That looks good. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
And again, sorry.
Okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. Okay, that's just what I need. I do something like... Can you smile? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. One more? Can you do one more? 3, 2, 1, go. Last one. In 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. I think it's okay. It's like super. Just need that part. Then you smile, which is good.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do the next part. Yeah, I don't think I need that part anymore. Oh yeah, maybe that twisting only. Just twist it already, it's okay. Ready? Just 640, 250, 3, 2, 1, and go. Can you?
Carrot is clean.
This is perfect, believe me. Ready? 3, smile, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, cut. Let's do one more. Okay, just give me a quick second. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay, give me a smile, okay? Ready? 3, 2. Oops. 1 and go. All right. Woo! It's nice. Okay. Yeah. Maybe you face the other side. I think it's not clean. Yeah. We're here. Yeah. Let me just check it out. So, can you do a little higher? No, the glass. There you go. Okay, let's. Oh, there's dust on the glass. I can see it.
Okay.
Look really nice. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, well, glass is acceptable. Can you see, ma'am, the glass over here? Is it perfect for you or acceptable? Or is it all like that? Yeah. Diba? Lalabas talaga lahat ng pagkakamali, ma'am, ng baso na yan.
I know. All of them, you know. There's a problem.
Ayun, ma'am, kitang-kita talaga, oh. Mag-aano yan sa video natin. Maybe, pag dito siya, ma'am, hindi kita eh. Yung mga floss.
Dito?
Pag nasa ano. Pero kasi maganda sana nga nahawak niya. Kasi ang forma, tignan.
Or baba ng konti na hindi masyadong.
Okay, you ready? Ready in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh yeah, let's do one more. Okay, can we do one more? Okay. This one, I'm gonna be focusing a little bit on you.
Okay,
So you smile, yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Perfect. There you go. Okay. Let me just check. Where are you gonna do it? Okay, let's pour. Wait. Just give me a quick sec. Can you do it again? Wait, and go. Okay. Can you give me a little more light? Yeah, that way. Can you pour again and then do the thing? Yeah, that one. Yeah, let's do that one. So first, let's do the pour, and then drink.
Okay.
Okay. Where's the? Yeah, there you go. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. And proceed with the thing. No. Let's do the. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Can you bring it a little lower? Yeah, and then go. Yeah. Twist. Ang dami.
Lower.
Kita talaga, ma'am. Just.
Can you move here?
Yeah. There you go. Twist. Okay, now wait. There you go. Okay, can you drink it? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Okay.
Ganda sana yung baso.
Yeah, the baso is very aesthetic, very dusty.
Yeah, but no, forget.
Wow! Artista.
Oh my god, the glass. Can I do that?
Yeah,
No,
look.
Okay.
See?
We have to do it again. Ay, cool.
Dapat forward pa siya, no? Yung matatakpan niya yung ilaw.
What glass was cleaner?
Pero ang ganda kasi nung may array muna ng ilaw tapos paksak. Perfect.
I can take it from this side. Yeah. I'm sweating, huh?
Sorry, man. Can you do the twist? Oh, wait. Yeah, there you go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, can you do the drinking thing? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ayan, mas okay yan.
Can you do one more?
Of course.
3, 2, 1, and go. Perfect. Okay, just give me a quick second. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and go. I think that's nice. Meron po akong shot ng May shot po ako nun kanina. Tapos po yung kanina, yung sa may... Okay.
I like your nails.
Ready tayo sa cheers? Wait. Can you show me a little bit of light? A little bit of light? Yeah, there you go. Okay, ready tayo? Wait lang po In 3, 2...
So I thought we do back.
Can you do like...
We do.
Ganito ma'am, medyo gantong angle ang cheers.
Pwede bang etong sa kasi
Yeah. Good, you're good.
Ready ma'am? Ready kayo? Ready in 3... Taas onti, please. 3, 2, 1, cheers! Let's do one more. Kailangan ma'am medyo ko to, sakop ko tong ilaw. Unang ko over the shoulder mo ma'am para medyo okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and cheers! Nope, that's not the one. Kailangan ko ma'am medyo ganto. Ganto, as in gantong angle na to. So medyo sa... Yeah, oo. Yeah, I think this looks... Oo nga, no? You're right. Pero, gusto makita. Ready? Try natin. 3, 2, 1, go. I think okay. Pero... Ito ma'am, perfect to.
Yeah.
Ready tayo gaganto ako pag ganito galaw ko Ganyan. Ready 3, 2, 1. Twist muna and cheers. Perfect. Okay. Can you adjust the light over here? Just a little. And go. Oh yeah, let's do another one. I'll just change my lens one quick bit. 2, 1, go. That looks nice. I think that's done. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, and go. Focus, hindi nag-focus. Wait lang. 2, 1, and go. Yeah, I think you want to do it a little bit. No, like, don't remove it away. Just,
Okay. Ready. Signs a good one.
okay, can you move a little bit closer to the thing? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. No, don't put it, don't give it too much. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, can we do it again? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, last one. I just need you to hold the bottle and then just smile.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, no need to open it, don't worry. Just hold the bottle. Yeah, and then smile. Smile. Here, here. You look here and yeah, okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go. Sa English industry. Matagal na. So today we're you know, nag-vlog, nag-English na yung vlog. Welcome back to the 365. Kita nyo yung mga kumpare ko. Kita nyo yung mga kumpare ko. Si Ma'am Kay, si Ma'am, yung mga the rest of the moms. Sampo. Serving. Pero ano po to ha? Kita lang naman po yung saan po siya magsaserve? Okay, so saan po siyang table pwede ilagay?
Dito,
Pwede naman po.
Lalagpas doon.
Okay, so pwede naman po ako dito. Kanina ko pa po tina-target to eh.
Sige,
Kasi they can do next. You gonna hold this one. And then itutok mo kay ate. Pagkalapag niya ng seafood platter.
Lang sa mata.
Yes. Okay. Ano na ako, Will Dasovich vlog na ako. Nagagad si ate mo, pikon na pikon siya palagamit sa. Okay, so matatapos na tayo sa ating shoot. Medyo nakakalito kasi sabi raw nila seafood platter daw yung kukuhanan namin. Kaya medyo hindi ako fan ng seafood. Ikaw ba? Siya, hindi siya fan ng seafood. Kasi pag kumain ng seafood to, ano nangyayari sa kanila pag kumain ng seafood? Alam ko na kung ba't nangangati siya. Kasi hindi siya naliligo.
Bakit 25% yung pinakamataas?
Oo.
25% lang.
Actually, ikaw ang pinakamataas, hindi 25%. Yun ang tandaan mo. Ikaw ang pinakamataas.
Pero okay na po tayo.
Ganito hindi, mamaya. Yung parang katulad ng sikat ng araw, yun ang target natin palagi. Sa niya, naglalakad si ma'am. Dito ka, bumuga. Nakaganto ka. Yan.
Ganyan. Pero okay na po yung ganyan.
Kasi maglalakad yan, ganto. Dalawa sila, di ba? Lalakad. Ikot ako pa ganto. Isa pa ganto. Pag ikot kong ganyan, dito isa lapag. Tapos focus ako dito. Kaso ewan ko, ang iiwasan mo yung makita yung shadow ko habang pag ganto kasi ako eh. Pag ganun. Lakad ka dito, kunwari seafood platter. Dito lang, dito start. Sige, bante pa. Banda. Sige. Sige natin yan, lakad go. Lakad. Papakita ko yung isa. Platter. Okay. Yeah, like that. Game? Game? Ah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ma'am, dapat kayo unti dito. Don't worry, ma'am, we got this. Medyo gitna niyo po unti yung ano. Yan, ready? No need. Ready? Smile. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and lakad. And then platter. And then lapag. Ay, ma'am, wala po palang tao sa table. Okay, wait lang. Double. Drew, kaya mo bang ano? Perfect. Sige, try natin. 3, 2, 1, lakad. And then ikot. Lapag. Okay, gets ko na. Wait lang. May gagawin ka dyan. Wait lang ha. Ready tayo, ma'am? Wait lang. Aray ko. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and lakad. Okay. Anong nangyari sa'yo? Focus on the meat. Okay. 3, 2, 1, angat. Last one. Wait lang po. 2,000. Sige, try natin ito, boss. Okay, press mo lang yung itong pink part. Press mo lang.
So, dito dapat.
Yeah. Uy, nice one. Sige, baba mo muna. Try natin angat na lang.
Ay, angat na.